back to the Premier, Mr. Speaker. For 9 years, this government's ignored the health concerns of the people of Sarnia-Lambton. There was nothing but shocking indifference from the Liberals. Premier, I personally raised this issue with your government in 2008 and 2010. They've now committed to the study only after being publicly embarrassed. The fact it took 9 years to commit to the study still leaves me and the community with concerns. Saying they are doing the study will still leave me with concerns. Saying they're doing the study is one thing. Committing and introducing a timeline is another. Mr. Speaker, will the Premier release the study's timeline today?
Hear, hear. Minister. Be seated, please. Be seated, please. Thank you. Minister.
Well, thank you, Speaker. You know, as the Premier has said, as I've said, we're committed to funding a health study to understand the localized impact of air pollution on Sarnia residents. We're going to be working with those communities in the coming weeks to determine how best to do that. We have to get a formal proposal put in front of us, Mr. Speaker, one that's updated in order to respond to it. But I'm going to say a couple of things, Speaker. You know, when the Leader of the Opposition was in Ottawa with the Harper government, they refused to fund the study 10 years ago. 10 years ago.
Start the clock. Order, please. Order, please. The member from Nepean Carleton will come to order. Finish, please.
Well, thank you, Speaker. I'll also say that when I was in Sarnia visiting with First Nations, I stopped in to see the MPP for that area. We had a wonderful casual conversation about what I'd been hearing in the community, what he's been hearing in the community, and I'll say, Speaker, not once was it raised with me that we need to study the health.